Making a remote control car requires some technical knowledge and skills in electronics and mechanics. Here are the general steps involved in making a basic remote control car. Materials: DC motors, wheels, battery holder, battery, chassis, on/off switch, remote control module, wires, soldering iron, solder. Instructions: start by creating the chassis of the car using a material of your choice such as metal, plastic or wood. It should be sturdy enough to hold the other components. Attach the DC motors to the chassis using screws or adhesive. Ensure they are aligned and facing in the same direction. Attach the wheels to the motors using small screws. Connect the wires from the motors to the battery holder. The positive and negative wires of each motor should be connected to the corresponding positive and negative terminals on the battery holder. Connect an on/off switch to the circuit between the battery and the motors. Solder the remote control module onto a separate circuit board. Connect the remote control module to the motors and battery holder using wires. Test the car by turning on the remote control and the switch. The car should start moving in response to the signals from the remote control. Note, this is a simplified explanation of the process, and it is important to research and follow detailed instructions or tutorials to ensure proper construction and safety.